Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Louis Vuitton affiliate program. If you go to Louis Vuitton official website, you can find any option or any page related to the affiliate program because unfortunately there is no official Louis Vuitton affiliate program available right now. That's mean whatever you heard about or watch in social media, the Louis Vuitton affiliate program is probably fake. Yes, you heard right. It's a fake, or you can say it's a kind of scam, and you can go through this process. Some suspicious scam website can involve you to this scam that you can join the Louis Vuitton affiliate program and you log into their account. You create an account, log in with your Gmail password, and then you get a product link, and you will redirect it to some Amazon products or any other websites like Inner Deals. And this scams is for probably lead generation scheme. It's a kind of lead generation scheme, so be aware of this scam. And there is no official Louis Vuitton affiliate program available right now, so that's means we can join any Louis Vuitton affiliate program. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.